All right, today, everyone, you will be going through and filling out the causes of the American Revolution or reasons to revolt slide notes using your causes of the American Revolution reading. Pretty straightforward. They're all in order, starting with mercantilism. You're going to go through, just kind of read the paragraphs, and then come over here and fill in your sections. I'm not expecting you to be done with this today, but we are going to be doing it for today and sometime tomorrow. You don't have all class period tomorrow, so I want you to keep that in mind. If you have any questions, comments, or need me to help you, please just reach out and let me know. Thanks a lot.